Once the kelps have reached about 1 centimeter, outplanting should ideally take place on a cool day when seawater temperatures are just below 15 degrees Celsius. Be sure to transport the spools in a cooler box so that the water temperature in the canisters remains as close as possible to that in the sea to prevent the kelps from going through a temperature shock. When arriving at the main line, attach the spools to the grow-out ropes where they will remain for a few weeks to allow the kelplings to acclimatize. Once they have reached about 2 centimeters, the twine around the PVC spools can be unwound onto the grow-out ropes where they will remain until they grow to market size. When getting closer to the harvesting season, it is important to assess the quality of the kelp. When food-grade products are sold, it is important to harvest a bit earlier before biofouling sets in. However, if the product is sold to the biostimulant market, it is better to leave the kelps a bit longer for increased yield, regardless of some biofouling being present. Regular checks throughout the grow-out season should be done, and these include monitoring water temperature, the growth and quality of kelps, as well as taking water samples to determine the nutrient concentrations present in the water. Similarly, regular maintenance is needed on the grow-out structures, especially after storms. Keeping the main line, buoys, weights, anchors, etc. free from biofouling will prevent the structures from getting fouled to the point where they sink below the surface. Once all kelps have been harvested, the grow-out ropes can be removed and prepared for the next season.